Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the online scary alerts that are coming from the website Nates.live. Nates.live is a new deceptive and very misleading website. Currently, it attacks many browsers all over the world. And these Nates.live pop-ups claim to be somehow related to the well-known security application, but it is not related to that program. Instead, there are certain online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. They try to actually make you scared about the condition of your computer, and they try to make you click on this proceed button. If you do that, you will be then redirected to some other malicious sites that may promote a totally different software. So be careful, don't interact with these pop-ups, don't install anything that they suggest. I would recommend that you thoroughly research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official page, combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.